In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy move emails from one account to other in Outlook. First, make sure Outlook is open and that both your source and destination email accounts are visible in the left folder pane. That view is important because everything we do will reference those folders on the left. The quickest way to move content is simple drag and drop. With both accounts visible, click the message or folder you want to move and drag it from the source account to the destination account. You'll see a highlight indicating where it will land. Release the mouse to move it. If you want to copy instead of move, hold the Control key while you drag. Then release. You can do this with single emails, a group of selected emails, or entire folders. This method is great for a few items or when you want to visually control exactly where things go. If you prefer a menu-driven approach, use Move or Copy to Folder. Select the emails you want, right-click, and choose Move or Copy. Then select Other Folder. In the dialog that appears, choose the target folder under the destination account and confirm. This is especially helpful when dragging is awkward or when you want a precise list of available folders before you commit. It behaves the same way in terms of moving versus copying based on the option you choose. For larger migrations, exporting and importing is the most reliable. Go to File, then Open and Export and choose Import FAI Export. Select Export to a file, then pick Outlook Data File, also called a .pst. Choose the account or specific folders you want to move, include subfolders if you need them, and save the .pst file to a location you can find later. When the export completes, go back to File, Open and Export. Import FAI Export, and this time select Import from another program or file. Point to the PST you just created. Choose how you want duplicates handled and import into the destination account. This brings the emails and their folder structure into the new account. It's ideal for bulk moves and archives, and depending on the size of your mailbox, it may take a little time to finish. Thanks for watching.